welcome back to my channel, and today I actually have a craft haul. I haven't had one of these in a hot minute and I don't have everything in, but I'm just essentially missing some dies, but that's totally okay. So the first one, let's bring you in some and move that out of the way. And I'm doing it at an angle so you don't have a terrible glare. So this one is year 4, which is Hippo Birdie to You. This is a very old stamp. I think they come out with one every year, and year 4, obviously, I think they're in year 9. So this is a super old one, and I got it for the little hippo because he's so cute. And then this I also got, I'll bring you out a little bit. This is Critters in the Jungle, and I love this one. I've actually already used it, but I clean my stamps pretty well usually. And this is just super cute. I'm actually waiting for the dies for this still, so that is one of the pieces that I'm missing. And then next one is this little oven baking one. What is it called? Sprinkled with Joy. I thought was super cute. There we go. And I got the normal dies that come with it. So this is the normal die that would cut like this out, cut that out, and like all your accessories. And then I also got the pop-up, so you can like make this interactive and actually be able to like open the actual, what is this called? Door. Yeah, so you can see here it's like perforated, so it's not actually gonna cut. And then this you kind of fold and you put the handle here, and then you can make it pop up. Like totally cute, right? So yeah, those are these guys. And then I got one more stamp set, and this is Gleeful Gardens. And I don't know if you can tell kind of the theme that I'm going for, like very earthy here and like animal-ish, but I also have like a bunch of the fairy ones, and I felt like this was missing because like these mushrooms are so cute that you could totally do something adorable with them. And then like the sunflower, I was like obsessed. So I felt like this one's missing in that collection, and then I got the dies to go with it. And last but not least, which this probably doesn't really fit in this haul, but I mean, I guess it doesn't not fit in the haul. It's kind of like a water scene with, you have your hanging vines, you have your pond, and then you have those like, you know, these things that stick out with like the brown or like black thing. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's all I got. I also got some more Nina White, but I didn't figure you guys wanted to see that because it's kind of boring. I got the 80 pound, if you're wondering. So yeah, that is my haul. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.